Life, Class 9th, Chapter number 5 of NCERT. See. Before that, hit like the button if you are new to our channel, and do not forget to share the video to your other friends as well, and comment if you like the video. Now, we had studied in the previous lecture about prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, about the DNA content of which we had not discussed earlier. Now we will discuss about it. The nucleus and nucleoid. The nucleus is present in all eukaryotic organisms, and nucleoid is a scattered genetic material in prokaryotic cells, and it has plasmid-like structures. It is circular and contain double-stranded RNA. So here we are in nucleus. The size of nucleus is large, which means it is macroscopic, and nucleoid is small. The membrane is double bounded, means it is double membrane. Nucleoid is found free in cytoplasm. It means whatever genetic material it contains lies free in the cytoplasm. Also, nucleolus is present. Nucleolus is what? It is the brain of the cell. It is present in eukaryotic organisms and is absent in prokaryotic organisms. DNA content in eukaryotic organisms contains 2 or more DNA molecules, and in nucleoid it contains a single DNA molecule. Histone proteins you will study in higher classes like 12. What are they? But just you should know that DNA is associated with histones to form chromatin. What are they? DNA is associated with histone to form chromatin and is absent in nucleoid. Instead, DNA is often found naked in the cytoplasm. Now, division of labor. Division of labor in humans and the functional and fundamental unit of life cell. If we divide it in 2 parts, the organ and the organelle. We have different organs to perform different activities, like we have our heart to pump blood, our stomach for digestion, and our skeletal muscles for the movement, the 10 fingers in our hand and the 10 fingers in our leg. We have voluntary movement in that. In the desired way we want to move our hand, we can move, and the desired way we can like to walk, we can walk. Now, the special kind of cells which are found in our heart is called the cardiac muscles, which without getting fatigue pump blood until we are alive on this earth. This muscle works, and when it stops, our life stops. And in stomach, we have 3 special type of cells in our stomach wall. They are respectively, they are axanthic cells, axanthic or zymogen cells, axanthic or parietal cells. These secrete HCl and the Cassel's intrinsic factor. What does HCl do? Hydrochloric acid. What does it do? It kills all the pathogens, all the bacteria which are harmful to us, and just kills it, and also activates the proenzymes and the prorenin for the digestion of protein and the casein which is present in the milk. Also, the mucous cells. Also, axanthic cells secrete Cassel's intrinsic factor, which is responsible for the absorption of vitamin B12. Mucous neck cells or mucous neck cell or goblet cells. These secrete mucus, which protects the stomach from its own secretion of HCl acid. It can corrode the wall, and if doesn't work properly in an individual, it can also cause ulcers in many cases. Also, it has another secrete other enzymes. One was oxyntic cell and the second was mucous goblet cells. The third is one more. You should not be knowing this, but in detail we will discuss it further. We were studying about gastric glands that zymogen secretes proenzymes. What are they? Prorenin or propepsin. And the mucus secretes mucus, and the parietal secretes vitamin Cassell's intrinsic factor for the absorption of vitamin B12, and the HCl for the protection of the stomach, that it can kill the bacteria entering the stomach. And now the division of labor in our stomach. What are organelles? Organelles are specialized in our cell to perform specific functions, like the ribosome that is responsible for the synthesis of protein, which means they are the protein factories. And what are lysosomes? They are also an organelle. They are suicidal bags. If they destroy the waste materials in our cell. Now organs, presence, this is a distinction table between an organ and an organelle. The presence of organ in multicellular organisms. It is present in multicellular organisms, and organelle is present in eukaryotic cells. Now parameter second, size. It is macroscopic, which means it is large size, and organelle can be microscopic, very small size, or submicroscopic, more minute than that. And location, it can be external or internal in the body, like skin. The largest organ in our body is external, and internal organ, digestive gland, liver and other organs. Organelles, they are mostly not, I can say that exactly, but they are mostly inside the cell. It can be said as intracellular. Composition, organelles coordinate. Organelles form cells and cells form organ. And organelles, micromolecules plus macromolecules form an organelle. And coordination, organs coordinate to form organ systems, like the stomach, the salivary glands in our mouth, the esophagus and many more digestive glands form a digestive system, and organ systems coordinate to form organism, and organelles, the different cell organelles coordinate to form a cell. Now in structure of cell. In structure of cell, three main functional regions are: first is the cell membrane, या plasma membrane or selectively permeable membrane. It is the outermost layer in animals, and cell wall is the outermost membrane of plants. Cell membrane is also present, but the outermost part is cell wall in plants. It is the outermost boundary of a cell. Either it is a animal cell or it is a plant cell. Second is nucleus, and third is cytoplasm. Inside the plasma membrane, it is the cytoplasm, in which the cell organelles and the inclusions are suspended in it.